Well, hello, loves. This is Kimberly here. Welcome to A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. Today, I will be sharing my family room decorated for Christmas 2021. I think this is my favorite area in my home. And you're probably saying, what, Kim? Not your red? Yes, I love my red. But this family room is the space that we spend the most time in. And I think it is beautiful. It is decorated in the navies, the golds, the silvers, and touches of white. So guys, you have seen me decorate my fireplace in the living room, and I use that same technique. You have seen me decorate my tree in my living room. I use the same technique throughout. So I didn't share, or I'm not showing you on this video how I do it. If you want to see how I do it, I will have them listed in my description box down below, the videos that I shared, and I'll also iCard those videos up above. I just want to share with you right now this family room decorated. So if you are still interested, just keep on watching. So here's a nighttime shot of my family room. So let me show you around this space. I'm going to start with the sofa. Can you believe I did not buy a Christmas pillow? As much as I love pillows, I did not buy a Christmas pillow for this space. But I did purchase these gold pillow covers from Amazon. The rest of the pillows and the blanket I already had. Shop your home for your decor to decorate for Christmas. And it don't necessarily have to say Christmas. The colors can say it all. Now, this artwork I shared in a recent haul that I purchased from Burlington. And when I saw this piece, this will fit in beautifully with my Christmas decor and beyond. I love the blue, gold, silver, and white of this painting, as well as the glitter. Now for my trees, and I have two, you'll see the other one in a minute. Again, I use those same colors. Those velvet poinsettias came from Hobby Lobby. Some of the ornaments came from Walmart. Different picks from Hobby Lobby. And then I used ornaments I had to bring the look of this tree together. And look at this beautiful ribbon that says Merry Christmas. That's from Hobby Lobby as well. Now my credenzas, I am displaying my reindeer, my acrylic reindeer. I love this little collection that I have here. And that Noel sign came from Hobby Lobby as well. A couple of these reindeer were gifted by Christy C. The larger one was a Amazon find, and that thing is expensive now. I had that for a couple of years, but I've also heard you can find the big one in Home Goods. I haven't come across it yet. And I always keep this mirrored chess game on my credenza. That was the left side. This is the right side of the credenza. I have two credenzas. The trees are twinning. But the credenzas, I have different Christmas decor items on them. Those two trees came from Burlington. I have that sign that says Joy, also from Hobby Lobby. And this deer I've had for a couple of years now. I also keep a tic-tac-toe game on this credenza. We are a family that loves to play games. Now, to share with you my fireplace, this is the feature that I love the most in this space and how it is decorated. I have placed two swags on this fireplace. That tree, that metal tree, was a at-home store find. These candle holders are from Ross. I love the silver base with the gold globe on it. I made this swag out of two large swags or picks from Hobby Lobby, and I just added ornaments, poinsettias, ribbon, and lights to it. I am loving that metal tree. When I saw it, I had to snag it, guys. I placed this Merry Christmas sign from Hobby Lobby in the center because I didn't want any garland or anything hindering the use of the TV, of the television. And then, of course, I mimic the swag on the other side, as well as the candle holder. Those candles inside those candle holders are operated by a remote. Now below on the left hand side, I hauled this Santa from Home Goods. I love the size of him and the colors, the silver tones on him. He is so cute. And at his feet, I place these gifts that I purchased last year from Big Lots. And I'm just loving this view of the fireplace. By the way, if you have not been watching me, my hubby and I built this stone fireplace ourselves. And this fireplace insert came from Amazon. Everything I can list, I will list it in my description box down below. But I love this fireplace decked out for Christmas. And lastly, I'm going to share my coffee table. I kept it simple. I added a mirror as the base, added a couple of candle holders, a vase filled with the navy poinsettias, and a bowl filled with ornaments. And that is it. By the way, this coffee table was a thrift find for just $100. It is heavy. The candles are also battery operated and can be controlled with a remote. But this is my Christmas family room tour for 2021. So tell me guys, are you decorating with navy? Navy is one of the trending colors of this year. I've seen a lot of people decorating with it. I've also seen the green. The green is popular too. Let me know down in the description box what colors are you using to decorate your home with for the holidays. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to ring the bell. Make sure you double click it so you will be notified of everything that goes on here at A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. I can be followed on other social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and I have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor, home essentials, holiday gifts, personal items, and so much more. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. And if you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, you know you're one of my blessties. I love you guys so much, and I am truly blessed that you are a part of this amazing family that we have here. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Again, make sure those notification bells are clicked because I'm going to be pumping out videos just for you. Love you guys.